We're back with the favorites. We haven't done a favorites in a long time. Not a long time, but it's just been a while. If you would like to see, then just keep watching. This just got here in the mail yesterday, but if you have issues putting your lashes on, this is a game changer, this little thing right here. It's not just like tweezers, because I've tried using tweezers before, and let me just tell you, I think it's just because this right here is curved and I'm just able to push it into my lash line without like stabbing myself like I would with tweezers. I love her. I love her. I have two skincare items. They're both from Summer Fridays. This is their Super Amino Gel Cleanser. So they came out with their cleanser, I want to say like a month or two ago. It was like the earlier part of this year. I love this cleanser. I use this most mornings and nights to cleanse my face. It's super gentle. This bottle is glass though, so be careful with her. But she's super gentle. She does have a nice smell to her, but it's not a smell that's like irritating. I don't have to tell you guys how much I love this product. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I have this little mini one because my full one is gone. If you've never tried her to prime your face before you put on makeup, give her a try. She makes for such a like nice, rich, hydrated base for your makeup. She's bomb. I've told you guys about her before, but I'm gonna just tell you about her again because I don't think y'all were listening the last time I said this. Pat McGrath is that girl and she will be that girl. This concealer is bum. She's not cheap. I want to say she's like 30-ish, maybe $40 with tax. So, you know, and on top of that, I just looked on here on the bottom. She expires in 6 months. So I've been using her for almost every makeup look y'all been seeing lately. I've been using her because look, I'm gonna get my money's worth out of her. This is the MLAN Conceal and Perfect Foundation Stick. I have the shade 290 in Warm Toffee. This is what she looks like. I will say for a stick foundation, you get a decent amount of product. You get more than other stick foundations I've seen. And for her to be drugstore, she is so good. She blends out like a dream. She is full coverage. Well, maybe like medium to full coverage. Sometimes if I feel like I need a little bit more, I'll go over again with like one more layer, but for the most part, one layer and I'm good to go. She is really good. She's very inexpensive. All right, so next, this is a duo that I just got, literally just got. I'm wearing these two today. This is the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation and Concealer. I love these foundation and concealers. Like, these are really good. The shades I have for the foundation is F13.2, and then for the concealer it's C13. I did notice I was breaking up a little bit around my mouth, like, and I maybe have this on for like maybe just about an hour, but it's nothing crazy to where I'm like, oh my goodness. So this bad boy, Rihanna does it again. This is a Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. The shade I wear is Chocolate. Let me open her up so you can see what she's looked like. She has been loved on. I love this bronzer. This is like a super natural looking bronze look. I also have the blush too, and I've also reviewed both of them. So if you haven't watched that video, you should go do that. Lipstick from e.l.f. This is from their Seriously Satin line, and this is the shade Nectar, which I'm wearing today. I can't say enough about this lipstick. Like, I've been wearing this lip for, I mean, ever since I got it, I've been wearing this lip. And I want to say I got this lip maybe like a month ago. I love her. She is like one of the best brown girl nudes that I've ever used. Today I'm wearing it with my Jordana Coco Loco lip liner and a little bit of the Fenty gloss on top. But Godfrey, whatever, tint kit for spot coloring. Now, I bought this kit to tint my eyebrows. If you have not watched that video, make sure you check it out. I still am working from home, but I do want like a little something. So I got this to like tint my brows, just so like my brows would be done, they would look filled in without me really having to do anything. And I will say it really works really well. It says you get 4 applications in this kit, but I'm gonna show you a little trick. You get 4 of these little capsules that has a color in it. These capsules have more than enough powder in them. So this is like basically the color. These capsules have more than enough powder on them. You're gonna throw a lot of this away if you use this full capsule. So all you have to do, like what you do is you really just like slide the capsule apart and dump it in this little black thing here. I have been rationing these out, and I did my brows last night and I used like maybe a third of this capsule, and I would say I probably have 2 more uses left in this one capsule alone, and that was enough for both of my brows. The first day, let me just tell you, you are gonna look a little Angry Birdish. That's just the reality of life. Like, you are gonna look a little Angry Bird, like your brows are gonna be really strong, but give it a day or so. The last thing, this is my non-makeup beauty related item, is these teas. Damn it, that's what I forgot to get at the bodega. Since we're in quarantine, I've really been trying to get control of my eating in some form or fashion. I haven't really been succeeding, to be honest with you, but these teas make me feel better, so that's what I'm rolling with. So the first tea I have is this detox tea. They're both yogi teas, by the way. And this one is the Detox Healthy Cleanse formula. I drink this tea at night. It is a spicier taste or feel to it, but I just feel like when I drink this tea, like, one, it does calm me down and everything, but I do also feel like in the morning when I wake up, I'm cleansed, if you know what I mean. And then in the mornings, I drink this green tea, Blueberry Slim Life, energizes and support a dieting program. So I've been cutting back on my eating for like the past few days, so I'm proud of that. And in the mornings, I like to have like a little cup of tea. That's it, you guys. That's it for my makeup and beauty and skincare and tea favorites for this month. Look, stay at home. Stay at home. You know, little bad kids. Stay at home so that we can go outside for recess. If you have made it to this point, you're at the end of the video, so you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of exclusive content on there that you guys don't get to see on there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.